In this video, I'll be showing you over 100 AI Studio prompts for self-portraits using Google's Nano-Banana model. If you're one of my YouTube Premium members, you'll get this full list completely free. Just check the post section. For all other viewers, the list is available through the link in the description. Watch through to see how creative these ads are, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think about these ads. Let's get started.
Welcome back to ManuAGI tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Open AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, Gmail/Workspace. If it's your first time, you may need to accept the terms of use. Choose the Nano-Banana model. Select Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Nano-Banana. This is Google's code name for the image generation and editing model. Click New Session or plus Create Project. Enter your prompt. In the prompt input area, type what you want the model to generate. Examples: simple image generation. A sharp black and white portrait of a man. Use reference image, sitting on a modern wooden stool, wearing a crisp white shirt with rolled sleeves, slim fit trousers, and polished dress shoes. Minimalist backdrop, soft Rembrandt lighting, highlighting cheekbones, cinematic shadows for timeless elegance. Ultra-detailed 8K, luxury magazine style, without changing my facial features. You can drag and drop or click Upload Image to attach a file. Press the Generate button. Wait a few seconds, the model will process your request. You'll see outputs appear, so you can see how amazing image is generated. Review and iterate. If you like the result, click Download to save the image. Let's see another result. Again, enter your prompt of simple image generation, like a sharp black and white portrait of a woman. Use reference image, sitting gracefully on a modern wooden stool, wearing a fitted white blouse with rolled sleeves, slim fit trousers, and elegant heels. Minimalist backdrop, soft Rembrandt lighting with cinematic shadows for timeless elegance. Ultra-detailed 8K luxury magazine style, without changing my facial features. Press the Generate button. Wait a few seconds. The model will process your request. You'll see outputs appear. Wow, it's awesome. The color and texture of the image, and the skin tone and the clear crystal image is generated. If you like the result, click Download to save the image. You can see both images mind-blowing and outstanding with background, posture, pose, skin tone, looks, etc. Let's see 100+ Nano-Banana models generated images and results. By using this model, or through the reference image, you can generate multiple different images of your own. So what are you waiting? Go and check my more result, and use by your own. Let's see 100+ Nano-Banana models generated images and results.